Updating your email address on Grubhub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to email preferences or personal information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Delete the old email and enter your new email address in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address, so check your inbox for that. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on Grubhub. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for assistance.